Hello to the team at Wholesale Flooring Services. My name is Jeff Bradley, and I wanted to make you this video to show you a couple of really simple things you can do to your website that will greatly impact your Google ranking. So I checked your ranking, and using the search words laminate flooring Bellevue, of course this is your Bellevue listing, I found that you're about halfway down, right there, got you highlighted. However, according to Google, 92% of people searching on Google never look past page 1. So even being on page 2, you're missing out on a huge percentage of people that should be seeing you but are not. So we need to get you bumped up in the rankings and onto page 1, which will multiply times 10 at least the number of people who will see you. And here is how we can get you headed in that direction. So the very first thing Google looks at when ranking a website is the title tag. These blue lines of text are title tags. Here's yours. The title tag tells Google what it is that you want to rank for, and it also tells Google that these are the very search words or keywords that you want people to use to find you with. Now, the first thing I notice is that your title tag is pretty good. It conforms pretty closely to Google's prescribed format, which is the keyword you're searching for, then the location, then your business name. So one little tweak I would make would be to eliminate the word in and the word from. I would say laminate flooring dash Kent, Washington dash wholesale flooring. So it just occurs to me that with a good title tag like this, you really should be ranking a little bit higher. And I wanted to kind of pursue that a little bit deeper and see what might be happening here that might be preventing that. So that led me to take a look at the second thing that Google looks at when ranking a website, and that is your H1. Now the H1 is a line of text that's on your website that also contains the very search words that you want people to use to find you with. And your H1 needs to match your title tag exactly. Now, if we go to your website, first thing we find out is that your title tag is linking to the correct page. It's linking to the laminate flooring page, and that's good. A lot of people don't do that, requiring a visitor to search all over the place, and that's not good. So, got a lot of stuff going for you here. So if we open up this scanning tool, we come down, we find out that your H1, which again is the second thing that Google looks at when trying to rank you, your H1 is what to look for when deciding on laminate flooring. Now, issue number 1 for Google is that this is not matching your title tag at all. Down here, it's not matching this at all. So that is confusion issue number 1 for Google. Issue number 2 is the H1 actually needs to contain the very keywords that you want people to use to find you with. Now, the Google algorithm is quite literal when it's reading your title tag in H1. And you're telling Google that you want people to use in their search these words, what to look for when deciding on laminate flooring. Well, nobody's searching for your services, and nobody's searching for laminate flooring would ever type in to their search what to look for when deciding on, etc. So this is confusion issue number 2 for Google. And when Google is confused, even a little bit, Google doesn't really know what your website or what this page is wanting to rank for. And consequently, Google doesn't know exactly who to direct to you and will instead red flag and demote your website, or at least hold your website back from rising in the rankings. So these simple fixes alone would have a huge impact on your Google ranking, because it would begin to create a crystal clear channel of communication between your website and the Google algorithm. And I would be very interested to see what impact this would make on your rankings just by changing your H1 as I recommended, and to see if it might in fact bump you up to page 1. And then of course this whole title tag H1 relationship also would apply to every one of your products pages in the same way. So If you'd like to know more about this and some of the other ranking factors too that I haven't had a chance to look at or talk about in this video, just reply back and let's have a quick chat about it. I would be happy to answer all your questions. This is what I do. I get businesses ranked onto page 1 of Google and ultimately into the top 3 spots, which will automatically triple or quadruple your monthly revenue. So reply back and let me know. I look forward to talking with you, and I hope you're having a great day. Take care. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.